Arsenal 3. Monaco 0. We're smoking the Bukayo Saka FC pack. It is literally Bukayo Saka FC, guys. The only clinical forward that we have at the football club. Cheers, guys. Big ups to everyone locked in. Do smash the like button. Yes, it is a little bit chilly. It's 10 degrees. The temperature has dropped a little bit the last couple of days at night time. So the smoking gown is out again. But Bukayo Saka, yet again. Well done. Well done to you, my friend. The only player who looked like he cared at the weekend, and the only player who could finish his dinner today. The rest of them, oh my days. It is what it is. Kenny was at the game. We're going to go there next. Jezza, Matty, emergency meeting, guys. We need to have serious words about why Ethan and Wary is not starting games. Our captain got subbed again. Just saying. Just saying, guys. But don't worry. He's got good PR and he got goosebumps tonight, walking the lads out under the lights in that jacket that cost 180 euros. Yes, you heard correctly, guys. 180 euros for that abomination of a jacket. But anyway, let's go with the goalkeeper. David Raya. I was one of the very few Arsenal fans that actually said, yo, put him in goal from the get-go. F. Ramsdale, not good enough. Now everyone's come on board, like they always do. They're always late. They're late to the party. But, however, very similar to the Fulham game. Didn't have a great deal to do tonight. However, his distribution is not Narcos levels anymore, guys. What are we doing? What are we actually doing? This goalkeeper, has been brilliant for 90% of the time, 95% of the time he's been at the club. Yes, he kept another clean sheet, and well done. But, oh my days, some of his decision-making tonight, was pathetic. You're passing the ball out to Declan Rice, to pass it to Saliba, to pass it into Marino, to pass it back to the goalkeeper to then hoof it up the pitch. Why don't you just fucking hoof it up the pitch, mate? Then he hoofs one straight out of play. Then he hoofs another one out. Then he's passing to Saliba, putting him under pressure. Then to Skelly and blah. Then it's back to the keeper. And it's like, well and good doing this, but at some point, this is going to go south. Fix up, mate. You've done very well. However, the last two games, you've not been great. Yes, I know you kept a clean sheet tonight. Well done. That was more the fact that they couldn't finish. Very similar to how our forwards couldn't finish. Otherwise, they could have had 3 goals in that second half. Minamino with a chance. The free header 5 minutes into the second half. And then Bolo. But anyway, let's go to Lewis Skelly. Brother, well done, mate. Well done to you, my friend. Yeah, well done to you. That lad should have stayed on the pitch. He should have stayed on the pitch. We should have hooked off Marino. We should have put Thomas Partey in midfield. And then we should have put Timber at right back. Obviously, now the event's finished. It don't really matter, does it? But this is where I call this stuff out early. Yeah, we've won the game. Fantastic, brilliant, superb, over the moon. Yeah, over the moon. That was our toughest game. Yeah, that was our toughest game out of the remaining 3. We got it over the line. We got the job done. Fantastic. However, when people are being in the comment section going, Lee, just be happy we won. The mutants are trying to get me. However, Lewis Skelly, well done to you, fella. Well done to you, my friend. Great performance from you. The other side, Thomas Partey. He was all right. Nothing spectacular. First half, I thought he was awful, by the way. Second half, he done all right. He got skinned by Minamino. And yeah, other than that, he was pretty all right. Nothing amazing, but stop playing this guy at right back. There's a left back on the bench. We've got a left back. We had a right back on the bench. What are we doing? Saliba, you know what you're getting with Saliba. Another top performance from him tonight. Never really looked troubled. Consummate ease. He's a Rolls Royce, this guy. Quality. Quality. As for his partner next to him, stop playing this guy. Please. Please, please, please. Get rid of that guy in January. Not good enough. Wasted 20 odd million on this guy. 26, 27 million. Give your aim at me. Bye-bye. Let's move into midfield. Declan Rice. Declan Rice tonight. Not Declan Couscous. Not Declan Canoa. Declan Rice. Piss poor performance from him tonight. I'm sorry, mate. Not good enough. Not good enough. Not good enough. He looked fucked after about 10 minutes. Like, what are we doing here? Yeah, and there was a chance that he had in that first half to play Jesus clean through when he was marauding over halfway. Jesus was in between the right back and the right centre back, through the lines, the half space for all you hipsters, and he could have just pinged that ball across the deck, 25 yards. Jesus would have been clean through. He held the ball, he held the ball, he held the ball, he held the ball. Then he passed it. What are we doing, mate? No. Not good enough. Piss poor from you tonight. Let's go to Mikel Merino. Oh, dear. Oh, dear, oh, dear. I did tell everyone this guy's a scrub. Not good enough. I actually was one of the very few people that watched Sociedad last season. Oh, but he was top in ball recoveries. Really? Yeah, he dropped a shoulder once, run away, blah, blah, blah. Cool. The guy's a liability, mate. Yeah, some of the... Nah, get him out of here, mate. Sorry. 30 odd million euros for that guy. 38 mil. These men are nicking a living, mate. Let's go to Herr Flick. Armwaves FC. Really? Really? One-on-one, mate. You missed. Wow. Wow. Put a ball on a plate for Martinelli. Missed. Offside. Because Martinelli's brain dead. But anyway. Hooked again. Didn't see him in the second half, apart from the chance he put straight at the goalkeeper that Trossard put on a plate for him. I've never seen a captain at Arsenal subbed more than this guy. Not good enough, mate. Yeah, if anything, he should be coming off the bench. And Ethan should be starting. But I'm just negative, apparently. Oh, but Lee, we won the game. Nobody cares, bruv. Are we going to win the tournament? Yeah, real talk. Yeah, not with that midfield. I'm sorry. We ain't. Let's go out to the left wing. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, dear. Gabriel Martinelli. How are we getting rid of this guy? He's on 180 grand a week, apparently. Guy couldn't finish a wank. Check his passport. I swear down this guy is El Salvadorian. Like, real talk. Like, he should have been sent off as well. Let's just keep it a buck. He should have been sent off. Should have been sent off. He was on a yellow card, and the first challenge after that, you go, okay, cool, maybe. Give him a last warning. 2 minutes later, he does it again. Then he walks out for the second half. What is our fucking manager doing, bruv? Like, real talk. Yeah, not good enough. Get rid of him, mate. Yeah, oh my days. Let's go to Gabriel Jesus. Gabriel Jesus. Shame. Doo-doom. Shame. Doo-doom. Shame. 1 goal in 32 appearances. And that, my friends, was against Preston. £265 sterling every single week. Don't worry though, guys. Don't worry though, guys. He tried. Don't care. Not good enough. Not good enough. Bukayo Saka. Bukayo Saka. Best player on the pitch again. Didn't do much in terms of dribbling. I think he had 1 dribble the whole game that was unsuccessful. However, give him a chance. Goal. All these other scrubs are missing sitters. What are we doing here? Oh, give him another chance. Goal. Game over. Game over. Fair play to Saka. Fair play to Bukayo Saka. This club is Bukayo Saka FC, bruv. Yeah, and I'll tell you something now, yeah? I'll tell you something now. If he hadn't scored that goal in the first half, I don't want to hear nothing about Jesus laying it on a plate. No. I don't want to hear none of that, mate. That scrub missed how many fucking chances tonight? Yeah, he can leave, mate. Yeah, he can take Martinelli, yeah, and a few others with him. But anyway, Bukayo Saka, well done, mate. Yeah, because listen, I get on your case every now and again. Yeah, however, without you in that game tonight, we don't win it. Yeah, if you weren't playing, mate, oh my days, that would have been peak. Well done. You're the only clinical forward we have at this football club. Let's go to Trossard. Trossardinho, my baller, yeah? Trossardinho is definitely Arteta out. And if he ain't Arteta out, then he needs to get out. Dog shit. Sorry, mate. Nah. Nah. Awful. Absolutely awful. That left side stinks. Let's go Jorginho. Didn't do anything bad. Meh. It's Jorginho, innit? It's all right. Nothing amazing. It's what it is, isn't it? Urian Timber. Again, you know what you're getting with Urian Timber. Looked decent when he came on. Yeah, probably should have started the game. Oh, but Lee was injured. Well, he weren't because he was on the bench, mate, and he came on the pitch. So, it's what it is, isn't it? It's what it is. Who else came on? Oh, 29. 29. Weren't his goal, unfortunately, for him. Ended up being an own goal. But pressed the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper trying to pass around the back, thinking that they're prime Man City or prime Barca. And pressed the keeper. Bukayo Saka, boom, game done. So well done to him. Johnny on the spot, nearly scored. However, he miskicked it and ended up in the third goal. And Ethan and Wary. Drop that PR merchant captain we have, Hair Flick, Gibraltar guard, yeah, and start this boy against Everton. Start him against Palace and start him in the game after that as well. Give this boy a run of games, yeah? That kid is fucking cold. Every time he comes on the pitch, he does something. Every time. Drop this captain right now. In fact, you could even keep the captain on the pitch and drop them scrubs on the left wing and play Ethan there. You could even play Saka on the left wing and play Ethan on the right. But don't worry, guys. We've got Super Duper Mick. He knows exactly what we need. Okay, cool. You better win a trophy this season, mate. Yeah, that first half, we should have been 5-0 up, but this lot couldn't finish a wank. Yeah, second half, we should have been 3-1 down. That's the history of Arteta, isn't it? Yeah, we ended up winning 3-0. Everyone's going to brush all this crap under the carpet again, and we move on. Hopefully, we go and get our routine victory against Everton, and he better not throw that cup away next Wednesday. I swear down, yeah? You better play your best team against Crystal Palace, mate. Eddie Nketiah's 27 games without a goal. Wait, you better. You must. Yeah, but all in all, we're third in the group. We've qualified pretty much, barring a minor miracle from, or a capitulation from us. So yeah, we're through, which means we can get a cigar out and we can focus on the Premier League. But we got work to do, mate, and they better sign someone in January. But leave your comments down below. Kenny's up next. I'm out. Cronky out.